Hi guys, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, showing you a brand new full black gel coat hull, 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. Beautiful black gel coat. Sea Ray has just the nicest, highest quality gel coats. Looks like a mirror when it's on the water. It's gorgeous. Let's go aboard and show you what she's got. Right, up aboard the 2020 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. Got the new gray stone interior for 2020. It's equipped with the new V8 300 Mercury Verado. Large swim patio here. Nice platform. The seating, the storage here under the seating in the transom. Cup holders, LED lights, freshwater shower. Let's walk in. I do have a boarding step here on the starboard side, so with a little bit of non-skid so you can get right up to the dock. Also equipped this with the new snap-in gray SeaDeck flooring. This is all black boat with the gray interior. It really complements each other nicely. It's a really nice looking package. We do have the little sink station here. A nice little place to wash your hands before you go out to eat. Opposing couch seating port and starboard. Notice the stainless, the grab handles everywhere you need them. So all your passengers, if you do get into some rough seas or coming over a wake, has somewhere to hold on to. Not a lot of manufacturers think about that or put handles in places where you actually have access to them. Port and starboard seats, you can flip it so you have rear facing seats when you're at anchor or when you're running. You can flip them face forward. You do have a bolster support that comes, a thigh riser that will come up and down. Some upgrades on this boat. Fusion premium stereo system, 12-inch simmer. Look at that, that's a huge screen. Can't miss anything on that. Comes with a sonar, chart plotter, blue LED lighting kit interior wise. Upgraded toilet, vacuum flush toilet with a holding tank. Also has a sun pad filler cushion for the bow and an automatic anchor. So we got the windlass right here as well. This boat is available. MarineMax Pompano Beach, 954-633-2070. It's Justin Costello. Give me a call and we'd love to get you aboard.